Haters, innit?
Yeah.
That's what you're saying, bro. That's what happens in London, man.
That's what, guys, that's what happens when you drive an expensive car in London. So, guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another episode from Salvage Nation. Oh my God, it feels so good to say that. I know that you haven't had a video from me in a few weeks. To be honest with you, it's been a very tough time. Ever since the issue that I had with the yellow Mercedes, it's just knocked me back a little bit. I took a massive financial hit on that one as well. And a lot of people needed to be paid for the work that they helped me with, and a lot of things have been whirling around with that, so I've literally just had to take a step back. But you guys kept me going. I got so many messages from you guys, man, and I can't stop thanking you enough. Right, but this is a brand new episode from me, and today's episode I've got a customer's car. I've still got my Golf R that I need to finish. I've still got my E92 that I need to finish. And guys, don't forget the raffle for my black BMW E92 325i automatic, which I put so much work into, is now live. So head on over to accesscompetitions.co.uk and purchase a ticket if you want to be in the draw to win that car. So like I said, I had to take a step back because I took a financial hit. And one of the ways that I earn money to keep the channel running is doing the odd jobs on other people's cars, i.e. subscriber cars and my friend's cars. And I've got a real cool friend of mine, and he's got a Mercedes C63. It was involved in a fire. It's got some damage, but he's got it at a unit. He's taking care of the majority of the damage, but it's got some wiring and the car's not running at the moment. So he's asked me to come down, see if I can help him. So I've got my bag here. I've got all the bits in the car already. We're gonna get in the car, we're gonna head down to his unit, and hopefully can get this car running, driving, and you guys get to check out an amazing car as well. Bloody hell, I want to check out an amazing car as well. But hold on. Before we go, I've always asked you guys to do something. Subscribe to my channel, leave a like, and I want to give back to you guys. Check this out. I bet you're wondering why I've got a random turbo and a random black box sat on my kitchen counter. Well, this is a turbo, brand new in the box. This will be going to one of you lucky guys once I reach 10k subscribers. It's a brand new turbo supplied to me by the guys over at Max Speed and Rods, and they've hooked me up so that I can hook you up. So all you need to do to win this is subscribe to my channel. You must be a subscriber, and leave a comment down below letting me know what would you do with this turbo if you were to get it. What build, what can this do for your car? What could you think up? Maybe it's not even a car. Maybe you want to strap this to a boat. Maybe you want to strap this to a buggy. Maybe you want to, I don't know. Let me know what you would do with this turbo. And the turbo is not the only thing that I will be giving away. I'll be giving away this bad boy. Check this out. This is a panel and trim removal kit supplied to me once again by the guys over at Max Speed and Rods. And these little bad boys come in very handy when you're tearing cars apart. And then it's even got the little keys for removing the pins from the electrical connectors in the cars. You've got the DIN radio removal tools, and you've got some other bits and bobs in there. But guys, I'll be giving away this one for free as well to a random subscriber. Once I get to 10k, I'll just pick it at random and I'll send these out to you. With that said, now we can go. Right guys, so there you have it. This is a 2013 Mercedes C63 Amg. This car was sat outside this guy's house. This is my boy Hussein. Hussein, what you saying? Cool?
Yeah, man.
What's happened with the car? Tell me.
Basically, it was parked outside, and some youths probably just arsoned it. Haters, innit?
Yeah?
That's what you're saying, bro. That's what happens in London, man.
That's what, guys, that's what happens when you drive an expensive car in London. So the story goes, you came out one morning, you saw someone outside the car, they smashed this window right here and chucked a cocktail in the back seat. Have a look, completely burnt and ruined the back of the car. This is, have a look at that, guys. Just completely ruined it. And the car has been sat ever since. So the plan for today is I'm gonna strip down all the burnt wires.
And it's all gonna be working. It's all gonna be working. You're
of
not
course.
going home until you finish. I'm not letting you go.
Guys, that's what they said. So that's what we need to do. The Salvage Nation way, we need to get this car running today, get everything up in. The car is starting, but it's not driving properly. And I believe it's because it's just got some broken wires. And one thing that I've already found is there's a data bus in here that uses fiber optics, and I've just seen it flashing red. So I just need to go through all of these wires, see what's broken, see what's not broken, see what I can fit, and see what I need to order, if I need to order anything. And we're gonna be double checking all of these connectors, like especially this connector for the airbag. I wanna double check all of them, make sure everything is working. And the thing is, guys, the back seats, this lovely red leather, have a look at that, it feels so nice. Unfortunately, the back seats have perished, completely got burnt out by the fire. But because those took the brunt of the fire and the heat, hopefully we haven't done too much damage to the wires and everything underneath. So we've got a new headline in, we're gonna clean that up, and at some point we're gonna be putting in some new back seats and everything, and hopefully we can get this car up and running and take it out. So that's the plan for this video. If that's what you wanna see, make sure you stick around. If you're watching this, you're not subscribed, smash that subscribe button. And if this is the kind of content that you like, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Let's continue. So right guys, as you just seen, I've got my Carly connected to it. So that's the first thing I want to do. I want to make sure that I know exactly what's going on. So I just got to wait for this to finish. It's already found 19 issues. So I'll keep it connected, see what else is going on. But I know for a fact the speakers aren't working, and I know for a fact the traction control at the back isn't working. The suspension wasn't working, but I've sorted that out. I just need to sort out the traction. So Hopefully Carly can tell me a few more.
What's it say?
Said you got 24 issues, man.
Nothing for you, bro. Minor. It's minor.
As he said, guys, minor. Right guys, it's been a couple of hours and I've managed to fix a few of the wires. I've managed to remove a few of the bits. However, we need more time and there's some other bits that we need from the garage. So we're going to be towing the car down to the garage and we're going to continue this video. So if you like what you're seeing, make sure you give me a thumbs up. And if you're watching this, you're not subscribed, smash that subscribe button.
2 days, yeah?
2 days.
You're gonna get it all back up, yeah?
Yes, 2 days, everything's gonna be sorted. So you still gotta put everything on the front, everything on the top, everything in the back.
You sure this will be done this side?
Lots of wiring to do, programming, the lots. 2 days. Let's go. Guys, we've made it, we've been here before. Have a look. We're gonna offload, get it in the unit, and then I'll have a little chat. Guys, there you have it. At the beginning of this video, it was light, it was sunny. Have a look outside now. It's pitch black, it's quite late in the night. We've worked away, but like I said, I had to bring it down to the unit. This was supposed to be a 1 episode build, but you're gonna see some more of this car on the channel very soon. The car is back now, and this is where we're gonna be ending it, but have a listen to this car. Oh, it's a beast. Oh my God. Crazy, crazy. Right, in the next episode, I'll be getting some bits from the shops for the back. Hopefully we'll be putting everything back together and hopefully we'll be getting this car out for a test drive. I don't know, stay tuned if you want to see more, and this is where we're going to be ending it. Guys, if you enjoyed this episode, make sure you give me a thumbs up because it helps with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching the video to the end. I'm glad that you made it. It feels great to be back. Stay tuned for lots more content. I've got some exciting things coming, and expect a few more builds like this. Expect a few more builds from friends and subscribers and stuff as I try to get back on top of everything. And yeah, just thank you guys for your support. Don't forget guys, if you want to take part in the Salvage Nation raffle, I'm raffling my 2010 LCI BMW 325i. Tickets are live right now. Take part, it will really help the channel, and let's just have a bit of fun. And the winner of the raffle, I'll be delivering my car to you personally, and you'll be getting a whole bunch of merch, plus you'll be getting £500 cash. So go over to the website, purchase some tickets, and this is where it's going to be in the net. So like I always say, guys, keep it moving. You guys have helped me to keep it moving, and like I always say, you guys keep it moving, and I'll see you in the next one.